Okay, so today we're going deep into the world of craft stores.
Right.
But not just craft stores as we know them.
Yeah.
We're looking at how AI is shaking things up.
Really changing the game.
And we have this fascinating piece.
Oh, yeah, I read that one.
It's really thought-provoking.
Definitely.
I mean, imagine you're a craft store owner, right? Trying to keep up with everything.
So much to do.
Managing inventory, dealing with customers.
And all the online stuff, too.
Exactly. And then on top of all of that,
Yeah.
trying to stay ahead of the trends.
Right, because it's such a competitive market.
It is, and that's where AI comes in.
Yeah.
Yep, AI, and specifically chatbots.
Chatbots for a craft store.
Yeah, it might sound a little strange at first.
I'll admit I was skeptical.
Me too. But when you think about it,
Okay. Yeah.
it makes a lot of sense.
Go on.
So the article talks about this idea of the customer experience.
Customer experience.
That's key.
Absolutely. And how AI chatbots can completely transform it.
Transform it. How?
Imagine you're
Okay, you're in a craft store
got it.
and you're looking for something specific.
Like a certain type of yarn.
Exactly. Maybe a very particular shade of blue.
Oh, yeah. Been there.
Right. And you can't find it anywhere.
Frustrating.
So frustrating.
So what do you do
Well, in the past, you'd have to track down an employee,
if you could find one
right? And sometimes they're busy or you have to wait.
and you just want to get on with your project?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But now with an AI chatbot,
Oh, I saw.
you can get instant help.
24/7.
Exactly, anytime you need it.
So no more waiting around
Nope, the chatbot can answer your questions.
about anything.
Products, prices, even project ideas.
Wow, so it's like having a craft expert on call.
That's the idea. And it can even make personalized recommendations.
Based on what?
Your past purchases, your interests, even your skill level.
That's pretty impressive.
It is, and think about it from the store owner's perspective.
Okay, yeah.
They're able to provide amazing customer service.
Even when the store is closed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So happier customers.
And probably more sales.
Makes sense, right?
It does.
But it goes beyond just customer service.
Oh.
The article also talks about how AI can handle a lot of those
Yeah.
behind-the-scenes tasks.
Like what kind of tasks?
Things like inventory management, order processing, even customer follow-ups.
So it frees up the human employees.
Exactly. They can focus on more creative and engaging things.
Like teaching workshops.
Yeah, or helping customers with unique projects.
That personal touch is important.
It is, and the article even mentions AI being used for social media.
Social media.
It's not just about posting a few photos anymore.
It's a whole strategy.
Right, and AI can help with that.
How so?
Well, it can schedule posts for optimal times.
Sure.
It can analyze what content performs best.
Data driven.
And it can even help identify trending crafts and techniques.
So staying ahead of the curve.
Exactly, and this is all helping craft stores connect
Yeah.
with a wider audience.
Reaching more potential customers.
That's the goal. But here's where things get really interesting. The article talks about AI actually being used for the creative side of crafting.
Really?
I know it sounds kind of crazy, right?
AI being creative.
But there are AI tools that can generate project ideas.
No way.
It's true. You can tell the tool what materials you have,
Okay.
your skill level, what you're interested in making.
And it comes up with ideas.
Exactly. It can even create custom DIY tutorials.
So it's not replacing human creativity.
Right. It's more like enhancing it
Giving you a starting point.
or helping you break out of a creative rut.
I like that.
And for more experienced crafters,
Yeah.
it can suggest new techniques or materials to try.
Pushing the boundaries.
So overall, it seems like AI is giving craft stores
Mm-hmm.
a whole new set of tools to thrive.
Not just survive, but thrive.
Exactly. And it's not just about the technology itself.
Right.
It's about how it's used
To improve the
for
experience.
both the customers and the employees.
Making crafting more accessible and enjoyable.
And maybe even inspiring a whole new generation of crafters.
That would be great.
It would. And that's what makes this whole topic
Yeah.
so fascinating.
It really is.
I mean, who knows what the future holds?
The possibilities are endless.
They really are. And I think that's something for all of us.
Us.
Yeah, all of us, crafters and craft enthusiasts,
Okay.
to think about.
To ponder.
How can we use these new AI tools
To make crafting even better.
to spark new ideas to connect with others?
And to keep the craft tradition alive.
Exactly. And that's what we're all about here,
Absolutely.
exploring those creative possibilities.
That's what it's all about.
So thank you for joining us on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
And until next time, keep those creative sparks flying.